Limitless language learning is a tool for users to learn from AI generated stories rather than memorizing single words or phrases. Users are able to choose from a wide array of situations, ranging from everyday outings to fantastical adventures. By responding to full scenarios, rather than something like flashcards or quizzes, users are able to get practical knowledge of how to understand languages when interacting with others.
This is the home screen for Limitless Language Learning. You start off, you click the play button. In here, you can go to the website, which we've hyperlinked, to get your API key, paste it in, and once you have it, you can verify it using the checkbox next to the API key. And once it's verified, you can click continue. Here we have the genre screen. In the genre screen, you can pick from the 5 different genres. For this tutorial, we'll pick everyday life. Once you pick a genre, you then get to pick what type of story you'd like to have. You have trip to the mall, trip to get a haircut, average day, so on and so forth. And for this one, we'll pick a road trip. Once you get into the language screen, you can then pick from all the languages we have listed. For this tutorial, we'll pick Spanish. On the easy difficulty, the story will be in the chosen language, but questions and answers will be in your default language, for us, English. On the medium, your story and questions will be in the chosen language, but responses will be in English. And for hard difficulty, the story, questions, and answers must all be in the chosen language. We'll pick medium difficulty. Here we have a loading screen where it will display the story that you chose and the genre, as well as the language. Once it finishes loading, we'll have the story in the white text at the top. The questions will be in blue text above the input boxes, and then below all the questions, you have the play audio button where you can listen to a text to speech of the story.
El viejo coche rugió al arrancar.
Once you're ready to answer the questions, you can go into and type in the text boxes. And once you have all of the questions answered, you can then click submit. Gemini will go through and check each of your answers to see if they're correct. If they are correct, the text will be displayed in green, as you can see on this screen. If any of the answers were incorrect, they'll instead be displayed in red.
Limitless Language Learning uses Gemini 1.5 Pro to generate stories and questions in the different languages to help practice new languages. When going through the app, we collect the options selected and pass that to Gemini to generate the specific prompt we're looking for. Once the user responds with their answers, we then ask Gemini if those answers are good answers for the previously generated material. All user data is only stored locally and never sent anywhere except Gemini. We implemented the user to submit their own Gemini key so that they can choose whether they want to spend money on more Gemini requests.